Cheers! It's Wednesday, and Wednesdays are special days because
it's half price at the Birdseed Bar. It's a happy hour.
happy hour means come on in, grab a bag, fill it, half price for the first 2 bags.
We're going to have it from 3 to close, so drop on by and enjoy the Birdseed Bar. Make your own recipes. We've even got some examples for you.
And we have great seed. The seed that I'm testing out right now is our fruit and nut mix. It's got pecans and apricots and apples and pineapple and peanuts and mangoes. This stuff is making me hungry.
It's trail mix for the birds. And what I have is black oil sunflower seed. Every bird loves this seed. So as you can see, we have some premium seeds at a premium discount at our bird bar on
Wednesdays at For the Birds.
Enjoy the beauty that flies around you.
Cheers!
Cheers!